Hi everyone, so now we will go with right arm position, or we can say it is a right arm to the mountain. Slowly we can turn to the left side, for you can see easier and clearer. Prayer posture. Inhale, raise your hand up, look up. Yes. And from here, you see you still can go longer and try to stretch higher. Yes. And bend back. Yes, it's the correct way. Because for some people, you inhale, raise your hand up, bend back. Like this is not correct way. We try to inhale, raise your hand up, and try to from here is we still can lengthening more our spine and straighten more and bend back. Yes, it's the correct way. So you try to one more time. Inhale, raise your hand up like this. We not enough stretching. We try to lengthening. Also way look up and bend back. Exhale, fold forward and drop down. Okay, everything clear? I hopefully you do correct way on the pose so you have a maximize your benefit when you practice exercise or yoga or training anything. Try to do correct pose and please follow us to see more video do correct new way. Thank you.